These shorts have pulled in over 159 million views. So today, I'm starting a similar channel using just AI. From editing to titles and branding, all done by AI. I was scrolling through shorts and kept seeing viral AI-generated videos, which gave me an idea. First, we need to brand the channel. For example, this one channel gets millions of views by posting AI motivational stories. It's crazy. Why should I spend hours making videos when I can barely get 400 views? Wait, channels like the AI Historian are getting over 97 million views with just 24 videos. It's wild. I want to make money like that with AI videos too. If you search for your niche, like wisdom story shorts, you can learn a lot from other accounts. This one, Never Leave Your Friend Behind, has 36 million views. You can copy these videos and rack up views super fast for yourself. It's very easy and kind of crazy that you can do this in like 1 second. First things first, I went on ChatGPT and asked it to give me 10 YouTube channel names for shorts about wisdom. It gave me 10 names. Now I just need to pick one. Once we've got the name, the next step is creating the profile picture. So I went on DALLE. It's a free AI tool for generating images. You can access it if you have a ChatGPT account. I just typed a Wisdom Buddha cartoon in 4K. The cool thing about DALLE is you can delete any part of the picture. No need to know Photoshop. Once we've got the profile picture, it's time to make a banner. You can use Canva for free to do this. Don't overthink it. Boom! Publish it, and now the page is set up. Here's where it gets crazy. AI handle collecting information and editing your content. My audience is all about wisdom. Clips about wisdom stories and life lessons tend to go viral. I found one viral video on a wisdom channel. Then I used getsub.cc to download the script. After that, I went to Zebracat. It's an AI tool that turns text into ready-to-go viral videos. I pasted the script into the text box, picked the ratio, language, and human sounding voice. Then I selected a realistic style. Boom! The videos were ready. Now you need to title and hashtag your shorts so they can go viral. For titles, I asked ChatGPT, give me 10 title variations for this short form YouTube script. I picked one catchy title and used it for the clips. For hashtags, I asked, what are the best hashtags for this YouTube short? But don't overdo it with hashtags. I'm just using the first 3. Here's a trick. Always put your shorts first. Then add 3 to 5 more hashtags related to the video's topic. This helps it go viral. Next is the description. This part is super important for SEO, search engine optimization. That's how you get views from searches. It helps YouTube recommend your shorts to the right audience. So I asked ChatGPT for a YouTube Shorts description for this script. The description should be optimized with keywords so YouTube knows who to recommend it to. I copy and paste that into the description, then I hit save. If you don't want to type out the description every time, go to your YouTube settings, set up upload defaults. You can add the description and tags automatically for every video. Make sure to use AI to your advantage. It can really change how your videos perform. And just like that, you've got a channel that's ready to go viral with wisdom content. I've also created a new channel. I'm sticking with it until I get good results. Then I'll come back and let you know how it went. I highly recommend you jump on this before everyone else, so you can grind YouTube as much as possible. Save this video, subscribe to our channel to learn more about making faceless videos go viral with AI. Don't forget to check out the next video to learn how to use AI to bulk create 30 videos in a day.